Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I'm at job site address 244 Northwest 18th Avenue in Camas, Washington. I've pushed out to the city easement as far as I can push, approximately 106 feet. It looks like I'm in 6-inch clay right now. I've gained access through a 4-inch cast iron stack in the basement. You can see the white on the front of my camera. That's a guide that I had to use to get past a 90. I put a mark in the road approximately 8 feet deep, right in front of the neighbor's driveway. And then there's also a white mark in the neighbor's driveway where the 90's a little bit rotted out, and that is approximately 4 feet deep. So I'm going to pull backwards, so this is a backwards inspection. Here we transition, it looks like from concrete to clay, and there's a little bit of an offset joint here that's obstructing the pipe partially. And here's that 90 that I had difficulty pushing around. You can see on the right side, it's just eroded away from just the years of use. Minor root intrusion at 62 feet. Minor root intrusion at 52 feet. And this weird connection here is the transition from cast iron to concrete. I believe this is where the old downspout tied in as well, and I think that's a piece of the old downspout. So I would suggest getting this taken care of as well. All right, well, here we are back at the clean out, and this completes our inspection.